Here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah. Here comes the, no. Here comes the, oh. Here comes the, y'all don't really want it like that. Yeah.
Okay, we decided to get this fine idea of putting things in the microwave and finding out what happens. So right now we have this DVD disc that we're gonna put in the microwave, and you can see what goes down.
Needs more power! Fuck! Oh, that's smoking.
That smells really
That's
bad.
normally not good.
No. Hopefully the fire alarms don't go off.
You think it's done?
No.
Oh, that's a fire.
Yep.
It's definitely a fire. Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna... Alright, yep. Alright, taking the disc out of the microwave. This is one side, here's the other. You know, nice array of burning disc. It smells awesome, by the way. Wish you could smell it.
It's now edible.
It's like a toaster strudel.
Yeah! It's a lot of fuck niggas in the club tonight. Fuck them. But it's gonna be alright. Cause me and my clique, we don't give a fuck. We don't give a fuck, nigga. Trick Daddy.
Back to putting more things in the microwave. We now have this fancy light bulb that hopefully will be a little bit better than the DVD. Who knows? Let's find out. It's like some exorcism stuff going on.
Turn the lights off. Turn the lights off.
Yeah.
Boy. Huh. Oh, fuck. Oh, wow.
Interesting.
Oh.
4th of July. Well, there's the fire.
Burn, baby, burn.
That motherfucker just melted. Alright, so the light bulb pretty much melted into half. Let's take a look. Oh jeez. Don't touch it, don't touch it. Very interesting.
When I say weak ass, you say bitch. Weak ass, bitch. Weak ass, bitch. When I say weak ass, you say bitch. Weak ass, bitch. Weak ass, bitch. When I say weak ass, you say bitch. Weak ass.